wanted to do a quick video. As you can see, you can hear in the background, I'm living in nature. Anyways, switching up my space today and been doing rearranging and some feng shui in my room, and got lights and a new background. So probably gonna play with the background. Waterfall. It's very relaxing, especially with the music in the background. The branches, leaves. Let's see, we got a new plant. So let's see. Anyways, just gonna chill. Very cool, huh? And then I've got that right there. Put on some tropical music with birds. Feel like you're in the rainforest and the mountains. So I thought I'd probably use this backdrop for doing readings. And check out my shirt too. It says good vibes. Good vibes. So anyways, I love my plants. I probably have at least 5 or 6 plants in here. But yeah, so this should be some fun. We can do some readings with this backdrop here. Ooh, maybe we could play with the drum. That would be nice. That's all. I just wanted to show off my Zen energy. Actually, it would be cool to have a little waterfall. But I'm thinking of putting a lamp or a light right there so that it will have the shadow of the branches, which is really nice. So it's gonna lay down and relax by the waterfall. Anyways, I'm just having fun. I just wanted to show this off. So I missed you guys this weekend. Didn't do the live. Been doing a lot of rearranging, cleaning, you know, just getting rid of things that I don't need, and just, yeah. Actually, I'm going to turn it around. So as you can see, rearranging my space, and just got this background today, which switches up the energy of my room, which I like. It's very just relaxing. Nature. I want to be surrounded by nature. So yeah, if you have any ideas, you know, or let me know. But I love it's always fun to rearrange and redecorate, redo, rethink, reanalyze, you know what I mean? So I'm wishing y'all lots of love. Okay? Let's do this in light language. Sheme kese toya na kasa shotoya kasa shoya mana kasa shoya toya makaya sa shotoya noya kaya sa shotoya toya kaya na sa sho hine makasa sha mire kore so shotoya kaya naka eke se so shoto ke so shoto naka mire manakaya ke so shotoya. And these branches right there, I collected all of those and I spray painted them gold. So yeah, I love leaves, branches, nature, love it. All right, you guys, take care, bye.